Hi, how are you? You can see that today we're going to draw an emoji. So we have drawn a very good circle previously. This is a bigger circle. Now let's do the color for the inside. But before that, we're going to put some shapes, put some figures, outlines to make the drawing a nice one. Let's start drawing from the top. First, we are going to draw a glass. All right, the parts on wiring. Okay, we can draw two eye here. The eyes are going to be black later. Then we're just drawing the shape of the mouth. Okay, all right, so this is the basic outline. All right, now we're gonna fill up the inside of the circle. That is going to be the eye of the drawing. Also the mouth, we're going to fill it up. Okay, so you can see the drawing is getting nice. Now I'm going to fill up all the surface with a bright color with the marker. So let's use the marker for the drawing of the bright color, and we're going to put it the color as uniform as we can do. Nice uniform bright colors is making the drawing very nice. If you follow the steps, you can have nice drawings all the time. Okay, alright, so the drawing is done. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to have different categories for drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.